Hi students. Today let us discuss about what is an eligibility certificate or why is an eligibility certificate needed from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. First, let us understand about Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, which is also known as RGUHS. Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science is the only government health university in Karnataka which was established in 1996. It is located in the heart of the Bangalore city in 40 block in Jayanagar, Bangalore. All the medical and paramedical courses and colleges except in universities, private universities are affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. The university is recognized by the Indian Institute of Medical Science and UGC. It is ranked 31st among the top universities in India for the promotion of higher education in medical and paramedical education by the Center for the World University Ranking. Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science has been recognized for its excellent curriculums and is considered as the best university for medical and paramedical education in Karnataka. RGUHS focuses on the course on various departments like allied health science, paramedical, physiotherapy, pharmacy, Unani, homeopathy, naturopathy and yogic science, dental and medical studies. Many highly ranked and top colleges in Karnataka are also affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Friends, now let me tell you why is eligibility certificate needed from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Eligibility certificate is a certificate given by the university to the students after checking and verifying marks cards and certificates to certify that they are eligible to apply for any of the particular course offered under Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science or in any other colleges affiliated to RGUHS. Eligibility certificate is necessary for the non-Karnataka students and for the students those who have passed an equivalent examination from any other country. Eligibility certificate is required to avoid the confusion while joining for a particular course offered under RGUHS or in any other colleges affiliated to RGUHS. It is needed to verify the student's eligibility for the course and to simplify the admission process. The eligibility certificate is available and can be requested both online and offline. Hence, it is very easy for the students outside Karnataka also to apply for the eligibility certificate online. It is always necessary to keep the following documents ready while applying for the eligibility certificate online. Let us see what are there. For admission in diploma, class 10th marks card is required. For admission in UG courses, class 12 marks card is required. For admission in PG courses, your degree marks card is required. Apart from this, the other documents are transfer certificate, migration certificate, character certificate, online payment receipt, and proof of categories like international, NRI, non-Karnataka, SAR candidate. And students, do remember that all the documents has to be attested by the candidate. Now students, let us see how to apply for the eligibility certificate in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. First, visit the official website of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, which is www.rguhs.ac.in. Download the application form for the eligibility certificate and then fill the application form with all the requested details. Scan all the requested documents and attach them. If the original documents are not in English, then the official certified translated version should be scanned and attached to them. Register and pay the fees on online portal according to the choice of the course. The registration fees is 2000 rupees for MBBS and BDS courses, 1000 rupees for other UG courses like Bachelor of Pharmacy, BPT, BSc in Nursing, etc. and rupees 3000 for PG courses like MD, MDS, etc. The fees varies for the NRI and foreign category students depending on the selected courses. After making the payment, enclose a letter of introduction by the relevant state government or embassy. Students, let me tell you what is the importance of eligibility certificate from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. It is a mandatory for the admission in courses in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science or the colleges affiliated to RGUHS. It is very much mandatory for the students who have studied outside Karnataka and want to get an admission in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science or in the colleges affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. It is an eligibility for writing a scholarship exam for the merit seat. It also plays a very important role while applying for a merit seat or a scholarship seat through counseling process, which is being conducted by a government authorized body for both non-Karnataka and Karnataka students. It ensures a academic continuity. It saves plenty of effort and time. It helps you to avoid unnecessary confusions regarding the eligibility. It is a documentation and approval on the student's profile, educational background, and qualification. Without the eligibility certificate, all the top reputed colleges under Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science will not consider the student for admission. Please note that the eligibility certificate only helps to prove that the students are eligible to apply for the course. However, it is not a means of verification of the certificates. The verification of the certificate is done once the university releases the notification to the college to produce the student certificates. After the university verifies the students' original certificates, the university produces a URN number to finally complete the admission process officially.